So to help agents like yourself really embrace kvCORE, understand how to use it, not just like in setting up some of it, but also in how to operate it in your business. Then Inside Real Estate, who owns kvCORE, Boldtrail, they have set up what we call peer coaching. And the peer coaching program is designed to increase your success with their very powerful platform and getting it set up, understanding the use of it, anything that you need to know, as well as things like working with buyers and sellers. Like, you can ask me anything. So as an agent since the year 2004, having sold over 900 homes, having built CRM systems and high-level technology, and as well helped over 95,000 people with their coaching and training of the platform, they have graciously asked me to be one of their peer coaches, and I have accepted. And so what is our goal as a peer coach? You can actually go also to the Inside Real Estate website and then do the /peer coaching. You can find it in there, and you can look at myself and some of my credentials as well as others, of course. But the idea is that we bring that experience to you, for you and me. Then I have that great thing that I think it's great, where you have the sales experience and the technology experience, and you integrate it together, and then the team growth experience and selling over 900 homes, and I give that back to you in their coaching program, which they call peer coaching. So that is really it in a nutshell. It's a great program, and again, if you're interested, what it also gives you is one-on-one time with me so that I can increase your success. So that is their number one goal. Now, when it comes to which platform you're using, if you're using, for me, I can help you in the kvCORE and Boldtrail, 2 platforms. And then inside of that, I will can help you guide you through this process, no matter what it is that you need help with, whether it's some of the setup questions, some of the branding questions, some of the niche finding questions, the things like the landing pages and the squeezing pages and the contacts, but then also things like, what do I say? What do I do? How do I integrate this in my business? What should I be looking for? So there's the platform, and then there's how to operate it in your platform, and then there's lead generation and lead conversion and lead follow-up. And so that, once we get the leads, we need to know what to say and what to do and how to nurture them and how to use the features of the platform to really grow. So for myself, I do have a lot of coaching and training products that you can look at on my kimbarber.com website. So you can see those links, as well as we'll give you the link for the Inside Real Estate. The big difference is that if you want that one-on-one coaching with me, then we would ask you to hire me with Inside Real Estate so we can help you. Now, maybe we go through our journey together and you're like, I want to get this kind of help now. So you're also not solo stuck with me, if you will, but I would obviously want to continue to help you, but I just want to know that that is part of their program. In my Kim Barber Coaching program, then in my memberships and my setup services, those are different. And inside of those, I actually have a framework that I follow, which is called my $1 Million Lead Framework, which has all to do with the setup of kvCORE and the lead management and even beyond that. So again, you can see all the differences on my kimbarber.com website. If you want the one-on-one with me and you want that assistance, you want it from the kvCORE Inside Real Estate maybe collection, then that would be the peer coaching. So that's what they have. You can check out the links below. I'm very excited to be one of the chosen people to be helping them with their coaching and guidance to make sure that their agent community is successful in their business, in their platform, and all of the things that are available to you. That is their mission. So you're watching this, I ask you to comment down below if you have some questions. You can also go to my website, check some stuff out. You can go to their website like I've mentioned. But if you are watching this on YouTube, then I ask you to go ahead and please give me the thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to ask some more questions. Also, look in the description. I offer you a free 15-minute business using kvCORE consultation so we could talk a little bit more. And then that way we can get to know each other, and it's free. I'll talk to you soon.